Hi! In front of me is iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, just open Devices settings. Now you need to click on Notifications over here and select one of your apps. For example, Mail. Now click on this green sweater next to Allow Notifications, and after that, as you can see, all notifications from this app are blocked, but you can always enable them by clicking on the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!